Hello viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Obunkata, the CEO of Obunkata TV on Facebook and also on YouTube. Thanks for visiting my channel on this day. In case if this is your first time of visiting this channel, please quickly hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't also forget to turn the notification bell so that in case any day I upload a meaningful video or teaching like this, you will be able to get notification. So thanks for doing that. So in this video, I am going to be teaching you how to use Capcut to edit this kind of video. I mean a video in which you can disappear and reappear as we normally watch in our movies. We are always astonished when we see people disappear and they reappear in our movie. We'll be thinking that how are they doing it? Even at times we used to ask ourselves, is it that it is real or they involve charm in it? No. All this disappearing scene and reappearing scene you see in your films or movies, you understand? It is not what? It's not charm. You understand? It's all about editing. They did all that with editing software. So you are so fortunate today because today guide how to do such video where you add the what you add effect on how to what disappear and also reappear. So please, all I ask of you is that you stay tuned to watch this video from the beginning down to the end of it. And at the end of the video, you'll be able to add this effect to your video on how to what appear and reappear. So please help me hit the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel so that in case any day I upload such video or any meaningful video, you'll be able to get notification. So let's go into the teaching. To edit that kind of video in which we disappear and reappear, we are going to use Capcut editing software, being one of the best editing software so far. So we quickly on our data because Capcut uses data. Our data is on. Then let's head up straight to Capcut. This Capcut, you tap on it. When you tap on it, you wait for it to open. After it has opened, you click on a new project. Then you go and insert the video you want to use. Here's that video first. Okay, let's use this video. Then you click on add. It's not difficult. You click on add. Then you quickly what? Let's call the part that we don't need out. Okay. So let's call this part out. I don't need it. Split. Click on split, delete it. Then let's come here. Let us also split this place. I don't need this part. Delete. Then this CapCut logo. You see this CapCut logo. Don't forget to delete it. Click on it. Click on it. Click delete. Then we are good to go now. Then tap on the video. Tap on the video. Tap on the video in that timeline. You now go to you move your hand this way, move it this way to your right hand side. You click on freeze here, click on freeze. You can see our video is now freeze. You can see it. You can see. Good. Sure, you can see it. Good. You now tap on that first one. Let's see. You click on effect. Click on style. Effect style. So let's wait for it to load. It's not difficult at all. It's not difficult. Pay attention. Please hold on. Let's wait for it to load. Good. It has loaded. You now go this way. Slide to your right hand side. Let's go and add our effect. The effect that I want to use. The thing is still loading though, but let's go and locate the effect. Let's locate the effect that you're going to use. Good, that's the effect that we are going to use. That is the effect. So you click on the first one. This first effect is the one that you use to what? Appear. You tap on it. I've tapped on it now. So we wait for it to apply. If it count to 100%, it will apply.
it will apply. When you come to 100%, it will apply. You can see it has applied now. It has applied now. Sure, you can see it. Hmm? Good. So if you want to disappear again, you understand? We have appeared now. You want to disappear now. Sure, you are getting it. Then this is what we do again. We also what? Split. We also split. Sorry, before you continue, don't forget to tick this good sign here. Tick it. Good. So let's play it again. I have appeared now, but I've not done the disappearing part, so that's how I'll keep on standing till I do it. So let's also split the part that we don't need here. Click on the video. Let us split. I don't need this part. I'll split. Click on it. You delete it. Good. Let us also come here. I don't need this end part here. Depends on you. If you need it, you can leave it. I don't need it. I've also deleted it. Then you click on the video also. Then you go and look for freeze again. Don't forget to always do it. Freeze. It will now double. Sure you have seen that it has doubled now. Sure you are seeing it. Sure you can see. Hmm? Sure you can see it. Then what you are going to do now is you tap on this last one. You click on effect. You click on style again. Then let's go and search for the disappearing effects. The one we use to disappear. We are almost there. My network is slow, so it's still loading. That's it. This is it. You click on it. When you click on it, you wait for it to apply to 100 so that it can apply. It is 99 now. You can see it has applied. I've just disappeared now. Don't forget to tick good so that you know that you are done with it. I'll tick good, good. Then you now delete all these ones. You now delete all these ones. You delete these ones too. You delete this middle one too. Good. So let's play our video now. I have appeared. I have disappeared. Here you can see it. It's not difficult. So when you are done like this, the next thing you need to do is to click on export. As I always tell you, before you click on export, please don't put it in this 7020p. Move it to this 1080p. That 1080p. Yes, and then you now click export so that your video will be sharp, will be clear. Sure you're getting it. Good. So you now tap on export now. Then you have done your video. You are done editing that particular video where you appeared and disappeared. So please, if you find any value in this video, in this teaching, help me quickly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support me. Thanks and God bless.